Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use this kind of beans and grow a garden new beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this item, you need to grow the beanstalk, and after you have grown the beanstalk, you can teleport to the top or you can climb it. Okay, then you can visit the giant here and you're going to click on what are you selling, and then you're going to choose the friendship shop, and then you can buy the kind of pins here. Okay, and then you can go back to your garden, and I'm going to show you how we can use this item guys. You can go to your inventory, and then you can select the gear items and hold this kind of pins, and this item will help you jump higher. You just need to hold this item, and then you can jump higher like this, and it will help you to climb the tall fruit like this burning butt. It will help you to jump. Okay, and every jump will take one use. Okay, and okay guys, that's all the way to get and use this kind of bins. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.